Welcome. If you've ever wanted to update or change your college on Facebook but weren't sure where to start, this quick guide will walk you through everything step by step. Whether you recently transferred schools or just want your profile to reflect the right information, it's super easy once you know where to look. Let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account. From your home screen, tap on your profile picture in the bottom menu or at the top of the screen. This takes you straight to your personal profile. Next, tap on the option that says Edit Profile. This is where you can customize all your personal details, from your bio to your work and education information. Once you're there, scroll all the way down until you see Edit Your About info, then tap on it. Now you'll be inside your About section, where all your background details are organized into categories. Look for the one that says Education. Under this section, you'll either see an option that says Add College, or, if you already have one listed, Edit. Tap the one that fits your situation. In the college field, type the name of your school. You'll notice Facebook might suggest names as you type, just select your correct school from the list. After that, you can also fill out extra details if you want, like your major, your year of study, or the time period you attended. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, tap Save at the bottom of the screen. That's it, your college information is now updated on your profile. To double check, you can go back to your main profile page and scroll down to see your new college listed. If it appears correctly, you've done it right. Keeping your Facebook profile current is always a good idea, especially if you connect with classmates or use your account for networking. So go ahead and keep those details fresh. It only takes a minute. Thanks for watching.